Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel eSikhchale Dream for Success. Today we will discuss assignment 2 for emerging technology. Subject code is KMC 102 and 202. It is AKTU Pruter quiz number 2, assignment number 2. So without late we will complete your 30 question in given assignment number 2. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट द नेम ऑफ गूगल क्लाउड इज गूगल क्लाउड का जो नाम है या गूगल से जो प्रोवाइडर आपके पास क्लाउड की सर्विसेज है उसे क्या कह रहे हैं. फर्स्ट AWS, सेकेंड गूगल क्लाउड सर्विसेज, थर्ड एज्योर एंड फोर्थ एंड्रॉयड. द ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सेकेंड गूगल क्लाउड सर्विस इज द राइट आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, पॉइंट आउट द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. आपको गलत वर्ड स्टेटमेंट पहचानना है. ऑप्शन 1 है गूगल ऐप इंजन प्लेटफॉर्म इज PaaS ऑफरिंग. सेकेंड, द वेंडर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल द ऑपरेशनल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द सर्विसेज. ऑप्शन थर्ड, गूगल ऐप इंजन प्लेटफॉर्म इज IaaS ऑफरिंग. एंड ऑप्शन 4, नन ऑफ द मेंशन्ड. सो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द option second is the right answer. The vendor is responsible for all the operational aspects of the services is the wrong statement. Question number 3. In the Google App Engine, application run in secure sandbox environment. True or false? Option 1 है true, option second है false. गूगल ऐप इंजन का जो एप्लीकेशन है वो सिक्योर सैंडबॉक्स इन्वायरमेंट में है. ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स है? तो राइट आंसर इज अ ट्रू. ऑप्शन 1 इज राइट फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इन ऐप इंजन एप्लीकेशन all resources are created in region selected by. In app engine application, all resources are created in the region selected by. Option 1 Google Cloud Services, option 2 developer, option 3 vendor, option 4 third party service provider. For question number 4, the answer is option number 2, that is the developer. The developer is the right answer for question number 4. Question number 5 is which of the following services as a PaaS vendor within Google App Engine system? Option 1 Google, option 2 Amazon, option 3 Microsoft, option 4 all of the above. So what is the right answer? The right answer is Google. Option 1 is correct answer for question number 5. Question number 6, Google Cloud supports multi-cloud architectures. That is true or false? Option number 1 is true, option number 2 is false. What is the right answer? The right answer is option 1, that is the true. Question number 6, for question number 6 the right answer is true. Question number 7 is Google Cloud search is used for Google Cloud. The question is Google Cloud search is used for first. Option 1 is public search, option second is enterprise search for employees to quickly find company's information, option third is searching documents only outside company, and option 4 is Google Docs. For question number 7, the right answer is enterprise search for employees to quickly find company information. Thus option number second is right for question number 7. Question number 8, all Google Cloud Platform resources are associated with a project. True or false? Option 1 is true, option 2 is false. What is the right answer for this? The right answer is true. The all Google Cloud Platform resources are associated with the project. Option number 1 is right. Question number 9, Google BigQuery services is also a kind of Google Cloud services. That is true or false? Option number 1 is true and option number second is false. Google BigQuery services is also kind of Google Cloud services. That is a true. गूगल क्लाउड सर्विस का ही एक पार्ट क्या है, गूगल बिग क्वेरी सर्विसेज है. सो दैट इज ट्रू. फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज राइट. Question number 10 is here. How does the pricing model work in GCP cloud? Question number 10. The option 1 is on the basis of usage time. Option number 2 on the basis of compute instance, network use and storage. Option number 3 on the basis of storage only. And option number 4 none of the above. So what is the right answer? The right answer is option number 2 on the basis of compute instance, network use and storage. For question number 10, the right answer is option 2. Question number 11, which of the following is cloud platform by Microsoft? मीन्स टू से कौन सा ऐसा क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म है जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के द्वारा प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा है? ऑप्शन 1 इज़ AWS, ऑप्शन 2 इज़ GCP, ऑप्शन 3 इज़ Azure एंड ऑप्शन 4 इज़ Cloudera. So for question 11, the right answer is option number 3, Azure. Azure is the right answer for question number 11. Question number 10, denial of service attack is a potential attack for Azure. True or false? Denial of service is attack is a potential attack for Azure. That is true or false? So that is true. Option number 1 is right for question number 12. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, इन विच ईयर वॉज एज्योर लॉन्च्ड? आपसे पूछ रहा है कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का जो एज्योर है वो किस ईयर में लॉन्च हुआ. ऑप्शन 1 इज़ 2009, ऑप्शन 2 इज़ 2010, ऑप्शन 3 इज़ 2011 एंड ऑप्शन 4 इज़ 2012. सो राइट आंसर इज़ 2010. Option number 2 is the right answer for question number 13. Microsoft Azure was launched by Microsoft in 2010. Question number 14, potential security threats in cloud services. Option 1, DOS, SQL injection, heap spray. Option 2, DOS, data breach, malware, page defacement. Option 3, phishing, virus, malware. Option 4, phishing, spyware, hackers. So what is the right answer for question number 14? The second option, DOS, data breach, malware and page defacement is a right answer for question number 14. Here is a question number 15. Choose the correct statement. Choose the correct statement. Option 1, different type of cloud computing services model provide different levels of security services. Option 2, a cloud model requires to determine what security mechanisms are required to adopt. Option number 3, data cloud be transferred and stored in a encrypted format for security purpose. And option 4, all of the mentioned. So for question number 15 is the right answer for all of the above. Both given above all of the statement are true. So the answer is option number 4 for question number 15. Question number 16 is here. Most of the responsibilities are taken care by cloud services provided in which model? Option 1, IaaS, option 2, PaaS, option 3, SaaS and option 4 is here missing and the option 4 is missing none of the above. So answer is 3. For question number 13, the answer is 3, SaaS. Question number 17, the identity management is responsible for. Option 1, preventing unauthorized users. Option 2, use role management. Option 3, controlling data access in cloud. And option 4, all of the above. So आपसे कह रहा है कि आइडेंटिटी मैनेजमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, किसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? सो आइडेंटिटी मैनेजमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल थिंग. preventing unauthorized users, user role management, controlling data access in cloud. So option number 4 is a right for question number 13, all of the above. Question number 18. In Azure, AD stand for. In Microsoft Azure, what is the full form or stand AD? So first option is access denial, option second is Active Directory, option third is Azure database, and option 4 is none of the above. So what is the right answer? The right answer for this question is Active Directory. Option number 2 is a right for question number 18. Active Directory is the right answer. Question number 19. Which services Azure is used to manage resources in Azure? Option 1 Application Insights. Option 2 Azure Resource Manager. Option 3 Azure Portal. Option 4 Log Analytics. What is the right answer for question number 19? So the right answer is option number 2, Azure Resource Manager is right answer for question number 19. Next question is question number 20, and question is, which of the following web applications can be deployed with Azure? Option 1 is ASP.NET, option 2 is PHP, option 3 is WCF, and option 4 is all of the mentioned. So the right answer will be all of the mentioned: ASP.NET, PHP, and WCF. For question number 20, option 4 will be right. Question number 21. A company wants to use cloud services in the future. What needs to be done first? Option 1. Ask the IT department to work out a plan to reduce capital expenses using cloud services. Option 2. Analyze existing business processes and determine which of them can be realized using cloud services. Option 3. Use cloud migration services to move their production workload into managed cloud. Option 4. Ask the IT department to order multiple virtual machines for different cloud services provider and test them for performance. So the right answer will be option 4. Ask the IT department to order multiple virtual machines from different cloud services providers and test them for performance. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज IBM Watson अ क्लाउड एप्लीकेशन? IBM Watson जो था वो क्लाउड एप्लीकेशन, इट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स? सो ऑप्शन 1 इज येस, ऑप्शन 2 इज नो. Yes, IBM Watson is an cloud application, so option number 1 is right for question number 22. And here is the question 23. Which of these should a company consider before implementing cloud computing technology? Option 1 employee satisfaction, option 2 potential cost reduction, option 3 information sensitivity, and option 4 all of the above. What is the right answer for question number 13? Which of these should be a company consider before implementing computing technologies? Option 1 employee satisfaction, potential cost reduction, information sensitivity. So the right answer is all of the above. So right answer is question number 23. The right answer is option 4 all of the above. Question number 24. IBM Watson personality insight services take insight from? Option 1 social media, option 2 enterprise data, option 3 digital communication, and option 4 all of the above. So the right answer will be option 4 all of the above. Question 24 answer is option 4 all of the above. Question number 25. Compute, storage and network services can be grouped together as what? Option 1 is IaaS, option 2 is PaaS, option 3 is AAS, and option 4 none of the above. So the right answer is 1 IaaS. For question number 25, option number 1 is a right. What is question number 26? What is a shown after login to IBM cloud site? Option number 1 is resource list, option number 2 dashboard, option 3 is profile, and option 4 none of the above. So the right answer will be option number 2 dashboard. Question number 27. The tool for personality insights in IBM cloud is option 1 is JSON, option 2 is DevOps, option 3 is IBM Watson, and option 4 is VMware. So right answer is IBM Watson. For question number 27, the right answer is IBM Watson. Question number 28. Big 5 personality characteristics are. First one is option 1 is agreeableness, consistence, value conscious, physical strength, kindness. Second, agreeableness, consistence, extraversions, emotional range, openness. Option 3, extraversions, emotional range, openness, kindness, social values. Option 4, conscientiousness, extraversions, emotional range, and kindness. The right answer is for question number 28 is option number second, agreeableness. Option number second is a right answer for question number 28, and that is a question number 29. Needs describe motivating factors that influence a person decision making, true or false. That is true. For 29, question number 1 is right, and that is a question number 30 and last question for this session for assignment number 2. So question is personality insights model includes filling the blank characteristic needs. Option 1 10, option 2 6, option 3 is 12, and option 4 is 14. So the right answer will be option number 3, that is 12. So guys, so there are 30 questions answer. So we will meet in next assignment number 3. Thanks for watching this